everyone! Ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung mga heroes sa Mobile Legends. Yung mga sinasabi, yung parang katulad nito, kay Aldous. Pwede nyo po siyang gawing ringtone.
My fists are unflinching.
Yan, sample kay Aldous.
You're looking a little lost.
Yan. Bali, apps po ito. Punta po kayo sa Play Store.
Words are meaningless. Now
Tapos,
talk with your fists.
i-search nyo lang po yung Voices of MLBB. Tapos, pag nakita nyo po,
Time to die.
pag nakita nyo na po yun, na-search nyo na, i-install nyo po. Tapos,
Abandon hope. All ye who enter here.
after yung install, open nyo lang. Tapos yun, pwede na kayong mamili kung ano yung gusto nyong i-ringtone. Pero for example po pala, halimbawa, ganito. Ako po ay wait lang. Sample po ito kay sample po katulad ng kay Hanabi.
Just show me umbrella and see what happens to you.
So, ganun. Wait, mamimili po muna ako kung ano yung gustong
I'll be the blade in your
ringtone.
hands.
Pwede din sa notification ng cellphone ninyo, sa tablet, kung anong gusto ninyong i-ringtone. Bawa, may notification sa Facebook, pwedeng ganon. Yung parang sounds, kung ano. Basta, tapos i-click nyo po ito ng, for example, itong kay Hanabing una.
I'll be the blade in your hands.
Pag na-click nyo na po, tapos nagpe-play, pindutin nyo lang po ng madiin. Yung parang ganon. Hold. Tapos may lalabas po doon na set as ringtone, set as notification sound, set as default alarm, yung mga ganon. So, alam nyo na po, i-click nyo lang po. Ito, testing.
I'll be the blade in your hands.
Ayun. So, i-click nyo lang ng madiin. You know? Ayun, yung ganon. So, mamimili po muna ako ha. Wait lang.
Just show me an umbrella and see what happens to you. The enemy often knows you better than you do. I shouldn't be speaking while on a mission. The enemy often knows you better than you do.
So, parang
I don't want to lose to that snot-nosed shadow.
parang mas gusto ko yung kay Nana. Back ko muna to. Hanapin ko lang si Nana. Ito. Nana. Excuse me.
Adventure's waiting for us! I've eaten all kinds of mushroom in this forest. I'll be angry if you poke me again. Let's go for a walk. I will be angry if you poke me again.
Wait lang.
Fly, fly. Meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. What a perfect shot. Catch my dart.
So, nakapili na ako parang,
I will be angry if you poke me again.
so yun ang,
I've eaten all kinds of mushroom in this forest. I will be angry if you poke me again.
so yun ang napili ko. Wait lang ha. Parang,
I've eaten all kinds of mushroom in this forest. I will be angry if you poke me again. Adventure. 'Adventure's waiting for us!
So, yun ang naano ko. I'll be angry if you poke me again. So, iset ko muna to sa aking ringtone. So, okay lang. So, okay na po siya. Tapos, i-allow nyo lang po ito. Yan. Okay na po yun. Tapos, back. Ganun lang po kasimple yung paggamit ng apps na to. So, allow. Yan. Then, back. Back lang. Yan. Tapos, yan. Kung sino pong gusto nyo, hindi lang po kayo kung yung gusto nyong ringtone, notification. May notification pa ako. Kasi favorite ko si Hanabi. At saka si si Mia. Pero si Hanabi na lang kasi narinig ko na doon sa isang cellphone niya.
I don't want to lose to that snot-nosed shadow. Actually, I can't resist cute stuff at all. I'll be the blade in your hands. Just show me an umbrella and see what happens to you. I don't want to lose to that snot-nosed shadow.
So, ito po yung gusto kong notification. Okay, try natin. Ayan, okay na po siya. So, ngayon, itatry na po. Itatry ko na po siya. Ganun lang po kasimple. Yan, okay na po siya.